In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient background on your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to enhance the visual appeal of your site, giving it a more polished and modern look. So make sure you follow along as we dive into the process step by step. First, let's get started by opening the Wix website editor. You'll want to log into your Wix account and navigate to the editor where you can make changes to your site. Once you're logged in, select the specific site where you'd like to add a gradient background. It's important to start with the right site to ensure your efforts are directed precisely where you want them. Now that you're in the Wix website editor, let's move on to changing the background. On the left hand side of your screen, you'll see various options for customizing your site. Find and click on the background option. This will open up settings that allow you to modify what's currently being used behind your content. Changing this is crucial for making the gradient stand out beautifully. Next, after clicking on background, you should see an option labeled color. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can start exploring the many different color options available for your background. It's a simple click, but it opens up a broad palette to work from. So be creative and think about what color themes align with your brand or personal aesthetic. Once you've clicked on the color section, you'll want to find the gradient tab. Click on gradient, which brings you into the heart of this tutorial, choosing a gradient background. Gradients can bring a unique dimension to your site, making it eye-catching and professionally appealing. This is where you can start seeing your vision unfold. So take a moment to explore different gradient options. Now within the My Color Gradient section, you'll see several preset gradient options. These options provide a starting point, allowing you to select a color combination that suits your style and the vibe you want for your site. It's like being an artist choosing the perfect blend of colors for your canvas, so scroll through these and select the one that resonates most with your vision for your site. Finally, once you've selected a gradient, confirm your choice by clicking on the plus add button. This action will apply the gradient you've selected, officially setting it as your website's background. Within a matter of seconds, you'll see your site transform from its old look to the new, enhanced gradient background. It's a small change with a big impact, making your site look vibrant and contemporary. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a gradient background to your Wix website. Feel free to experiment with different gradients and have fun customizing your site to perfection. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.